so today is Sunday, June 25th, and I'm just driving to my mom's house right now. It's about like 85 degrees out, so I'm just gonna go to my mom's house and sit on the deck and read for a little while. So I'm gonna go and do that. I'm probably not gonna vlog for a long time just because I'm gonna be at my mom's house. And I was watching some YouTube videos on like how to vlog and stuff, but I didn't realize that vlogging like with your phone held vertical like this way would leave those two black bars in the middle, so I'm really sorry about that. I know I noticed that in my vlog, like when I uploaded it. Well, the first one I actually didn't notice. The second one I noticed when I uploaded it, but I didn't think that it would be like I didn't know it was going to be annoying for people, so I apologize about that. I don't know, one commented saying it was annoying, but the vlogs that I watched where it was like how to vlog in your car or how to vlog on your iPhone was to always hold your iPhone, instead of vertically, to hold it horizontal, so it's like this way, so you won't have those two black bars. So I'm really sorry about that. If that annoyed anybody, I apologize. Also, I know that I'm still using the same mount. I'm gonna order one on Amazon. I'm still looking. I found a couple that I really like. So I was looking into one of the mounts that go onto your windshield, and it like suction cups on there, and so it should like face me. Like, everyone's having a yard sale today. Because it's so nice out. Yeah, so I know you guys could see me on both angles, but I think this way might be a little bit better. I hate my mom's little side driveway thing. Sorry. I'm gonna go inside now, or sit on the deck, I should say. I'm just gonna gather all my things. My keys. This little purse that I showed you guys in the previous vlog when I went to Lowe's, it holds a lot of stuff. Like, it holds my keys, my sunglasses case, and my other stuff. But my charger for I brought my laptop just because I need to pay some bills online. So I figured I might as well just use my laptop. But it doesn't hold my laptop charger. But I have my little iPhone charger, so I'm gonna use that. I have no makeup on today. I'm barefaced today. Sorry, I did not have time to beat my face. Hi guys, so I'm just cleaning now because my house is a mess, so I'm picking up the floor and the dog's just chilling. I just folded 3 baskets of laundry, so I'm in the middle of doing that, and I will let you guys know when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm in Petco, and look at the